Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how you can create coloring books with free tools like Nano Banana AI and Canva. In this video, we will use Google Gemini 2.5 Flash, which is a free unlimited version of Google AI and include the advanced Nano Banana image engine. Let's begin! Write prompt to describe the image scene. You can write anything you want. Don't worry about the image style. For example, let's create a scene of teddy bear in playroom. Good. We got nice image. Now let's write a prompt that will transform it to coloring page. You can copy the prompt from the video description. Now we got the same image in coloring page style. If needed, you can write additional prompts to adjust details. For example, let's reduce the fur details of the teddy bear. This is our final example image, but you can adjust it as many times you want. Also, you can create as many images you want for your book. Save the image for the next step. We will create a color book in size of 8.5 on 8.5 inch. We will use pages with bleed, and for the exact page size, you can check Amazon KDP website. Check the links in the description. We will use Canva to create our book layout. You can find a link to Canva in the description. Create new design with size of 8.6 to 5 on 8.75 inch. Now, let's add guideline that will mark the bleed edges. Let's add the image we created before. Resize the image to fit the space between the guidelines. Trim the edges as needed. If needed, you can adjust the image color properties, like brightness and saturation, to enhance it. Repeat the process of adding more images. To make sure the book pages will be printed single side, add blank page between two images. Make sure your layouts start with content page and ends with a blank page. The page count must be even. Now, let's export the design as a PDF print file. Make sure to mark Flatten PDF. Now, let's create the cover for our coloring book. For that, we can use a colored image or the original image. Let's write example prompt for a colored image. Nice! Let's save it. Let's save also the original image. For the cover design, we need to know the exact measurements of the page. We will use an Amazon dedicated tool for that. You can find the link in the description. Make sure you select the correct option for your book. Remember that our example is 8.5 on 8.5-inch book, so we select it in the interior trim size. For this example, we select 80 for page count. That means 40 design max. Press Calculate Dimensions. Note the design size and bleed edges. Download the template for the next step. Back in Canva, create new design with the size of the cover page we just calculated. From the template file you downloaded, drag the template image into our Canva design. Resize the image to fit the design. If it fill it without gaps, it means you created the design with the correct measures. Note the edges, bleed lines, and marks on the template. Any important graphics and text in the cover design should be between the bleed lines. The barcode area should not be covered. Drag into the design the cover image we created. For this example, I will use the original image. Fit the image on one side of the design. If needed, leave the AI watermark outside the bleed lines. For the back side, I will duplicate and flip the same image, but you can use any image you want. Let's add a title and some text to the design. Make sure the text does not exceed the bleed lines. Let's export the design as PDF print. Make sure to check Flatten PDF. This file will be used as cover for our coloring book. We finished to create our book content and cover files. In the next video, I will show you how to upload them to your KDP account. Thanks for watching.